Hey guys, it's Laura from the ClickFix team, and I'm here again with another shortcode video. I'm going to show you this time how I use the calc shortcode, which can work to calculate values and also to save values so you can display them in fields and as text. So before you use any of our shortcodes, you need to make sure that you have everything set up so everything works smoothly. So I'm here in the ClickFix website, app.clickfix.io, and once you log in into your account, you are going to go to Start Here. So the first step is to go to the Start Here page, and the first thing to do is to add your domain. So if you click here, you will be able to add your domain. Remember that if you have a free ClickFix account, you can only add one domain. So once you have that set up, you can go back to the Start Here page. And the next step is to install the Chrome plugin. So if you click here, it will take you to the Chrome store where you can download the plugin and it will be added to your Chrome browser. So the next step is to copy the script that you have to add to the header code in all of your Ontraport pages where you want to use one of our shortcodes. So this goes above any of the shortcodes that you use. So you just come to your Ontraport page and you click on custom code, and it's gonna take you to the header code where you paste your script, and then you can start working on your shortcodes. And those are the 3 steps that you need to follow in order to use our shortcodes. Also in this page you can find the documentation page where you can find all of our shortcodes and the written instructions for all of them. So here are all the shortcodes, and you can scroll down to the shortcode that you want to check out. And also if you have any other questions or you need more help, you can click on the support button and you will get a ticket to solve any of your doubts. And with that being said, we can move on to the tutorial. Here I have a simple form with 4 fields, and you can see that I have a name, weight, height, and BMI. So what I'm going to do is calculate the BMI. Here's the publish page, and the first thing that I do is that I check for the field IDs. For that, I use the ClickFix Chrome plugin. So I go to the plugin and I just go to highlight field IDs. And sometimes they are called as the field, and some other times they get a code like this one. So you only need the last values after the F. So I go to the custom code, and here's my code. So the first thing that I'm doing is that I'm just hiding 2 elements, but ignore that for now. And now what I want to do is calculate the BMI field. So here you can see that the BMI field is F1944. So calculate the field F1944, which is going to be called BMI. And I'm just using a random formula. This is not the actual BMI formula, but it's just F1941 plus F1942, which are the height and weight fields. And I'm just adding a display so that the value gets displayed on the BMI field. So if I reset this, I'm going to try the shortcode. So I'm going to type my name, then a random value in weight, and a random value in height. And as you can see, it calculated height plus weight, so it gets the BMI. Now I'm going to show you the second part of my code, which is another way in which you can use the calc shortcode, but there are also many other ways to use it. I'm just showing you 2 examples, very basic examples. So the first thing, like I told you here, I'm hiding an element, which is a text element that is below this button. So when the user clicks on show block, which is the anchor behind this button, they're going to see the text element 18. And the text element just has this code here, which says thank you and then calc first name. So what this is going to do is going to grab the value for the first name, and it's going to display it and add a random message. So I just added this message. So now when I click on submit, my name is going to appear here, the name that I typed in here. So this is how you can use the calc shortcode. You can use it to create forms, to create quotes. Just use your imagination and use it however you want to, and I hope this is useful.